How to fix the FHE01 error in Forza Horizon. Let's get started. First, type Programs and Features in the search bar and open it. Then look for Overwolf. Click on it and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation and wait for the process to complete automatically. Second, if you have MSI Afterburner or Citrix installed on your PC, uninstall both programs, as they can cause issues when opening Forza Horizon 6. Next, remove Steam from the toolbar. And finally, restart your PC or laptop. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.